Andy Richardson, and I teach middle school at Lincoln Community School in Accra, Ghana. I teach middle school design, and for this Course 5 final project, my students are making how-to video tutorials while they learn how to make Arduino machines using an Arduino kit. I had a number of goals with this project, things that I wanted to do myself as a teacher, things I wanted the students to do, and I wanted to go beyond just augmentation. My decision with this project was to have students create how-to video tutorials that would teach others how to create machines using Arduino kits. And in so doing, I hope that students would, one, really learn a lot, because they would have to teach it back to their audience, and two, really rethink how they could present information and things that they're learning in an interesting and fun way. I work at Lincoln Community School in Accra, Ghana. It is a full IB program here, the PYP, the MYP, and the DP. I teach in the middle years program. Most of my students are 6th, 7th, and 8th graders. And it's an exciting place, many different languages spoken, diverse backgrounds, and essentially a super fun place to be. The overall organization for this project is based on the design cycle. Students start with investigation, they move to developing an idea, they move to creating their product based on their idea or concept, and finally they evaluate their work. This project was also designed to be multi-layered. While students would build machines using the Arduino kits, they would also be creating video how-to tutorials and adding their work to Google Documents, creating reflections with video about the process, and then finally posting all of that work on a Google site.
Because when you make a how-to video tutorial, you really think about how other people learn as well, and you can sort of use that to help you learn more about what you're doing. Because they say that when you teach something, that means you've learned it also.
More interesting because, well, we haven't made a how-to video before. Like from my experience, I haven't made a how-to video before. So
it was a fun experience for me because I got to work with something that I've never worked with before, and I would like working with wires and circuits, and it's a fun experience for young people like me because they get to experience how to use it, and they get to learn more about circuits, and they also get to teach other people, which was fun. So we had a maker fair, and we got to teach people how we were able to make these and the science behind it. The video was something I enjoyed because you could use different perspectives with the camera, so you had a different advantage. And it was fun, though editing and putting it all together is quite some work because you have to have times where you have to have the camera straight detailed onto it, and other times where it has to be zoomed out or at a specific angle. But it was a fun experience, and I hope to do it again.
Hello everyone, my name's Thomas, and this is
Guy
and
Lucas.
And today we'll be showing you how to make an Arduino invention.
I'm Shahani. And I'm Giselle. And today we're going to build a spaceship interface using the Arduino starter kit. So you need to get this out so we can start this process.
For coding, all you have to do is open your Arduino kit software, go to File, hit Examples, go to Starter Kit Basic, and find the keyboard. Then all you have to do is verify and then upload, and then you're done. Here's the final design. Get ready to blow your mind.
Hey guys, hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you learned something new.
As I reflect on this work, I'm really happy with the way things have turned out. I've met my goals, the kids produced some great products, and overall there was a lot of learning that happened here. Learning about the Arduinos, learning about video creation, learning about how to present and show your work. So overall, I'm quite pleased with how everything's turned out in the end. Challenges that had to be overcome in this project were mostly of a technical nature. So the students had problems with the Arduinos. In some cases, they had problems with their computers and the formatting, especially when they had Macs and their partner had a Windows computer or a Chromebook. So sort of tackling those technical issues. Otherwise, the teaching, the planning, and the students actually doing the work went really well. You know, ways to deal with these technical problems in the future will be you know, something I look at. The plan to share student work was built in right from the beginning of this unit. Students were building Google Sites as part of the project, where they were going to post their final how-to video tutorials. Also, because of the timing of our school year, students also participated in the school maker fair, where they showed their work and taught people how to build simple machines using Arduinos. Their how-to videos came in handy at that point. They also participated in an adjoining design exhibition that we had for the class, and so parents, other students, the general community at Lincoln was able to see their work, and it was shared quite nicely. My greatest learning from doing this project is really about how to be a 21st century learner. And I shared that with my students. They shared their work with me, and it really felt like we were building something together that was authentic and real, and we had a 21st century mindset. And I haven't been able to do that in all my classes, and so this class was special that way. And I really am coming away with a better understanding and some new ideas about how to approach 21st century skills and learning in my other classes, and how I might change things up for the future. My final thoughts about this unit, teaching this unit, is that really as students are coming to school with their devices, phones, computers, various other electronics, helping them be the best digital citizens that they can be is really helping them be the best citizens that they can be, and that they're gonna take these skills and they're gonna do amazing things with them in the future. They're gonna create change. They're gonna be activists. They're gonna be out there in the world making a difference, and I love watching them you know, get this spark and kind of a glowing in their eyes as they make some really cool stuff. So I'm really pleased with how this year's went and with the way that COETAIL has went, and thanks for watching, and thanks for being in my PLN.